Hey Nick, it's me, Aldana. What have you been doing today?
Well, Aldana, thanks for asking. I've been fitting this Alpine 509 Halo unit with the iData Maestro kit into this PX Ranger. So it has the Sync 2 in this Ranger, which is now synced through the actual iData Maestro module, which gives us steering wheel controls and full control of the climate control. We've got visuals on the gauges, so if I just start the car, parking sensors and all the other vehicle info. Look, your door's open, Aldana.
Yeah.
See? The Maestro told me that. iDatalink.
There's something